Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide a directory in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Before hiding a directory, I am going to show the directory with ls command. Type ls and hit enter, and I have a directory here ss, and I want to hide this directory. Now type mv ss and then type dot ss. Now hit enter. Now I'm going to check ls. Look, the file is not showing here with ls command and it's hidden right now. Now I'm going to show you how to show hidden directory ls hyphen la. This is the hidden directory. Now I'm going to show you how to hide a directory in different name. First I'm creating a directory mkdir double a and ls. Look, double a directory has been created. Now I am going to hide this directory with different name mv double a and dot double b. Now hit enter. Now check ls. Double a directory is hidden right now. Now I am going to check the hidden directory ls hyphen la. Look, the double a directory is hidden and its name is now double b. This is the easiest way to hide a directory in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.